So this is how you do a neck adjustment with your truss rod. With the truss rod wrench, as you're looking at the headstock from this direction down the neck to the body, that's how you're looking at it. It's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So if the neck is warped, in this case this guitar is warped, then as we tighten the truss rod, it's going to make the neck go this way, which is what we want to do now because this neck is very warped. So you want to place the index finger of your left hand on the 2nd fret and the thumb on your right hand on like the 15th fret, so you can meet the center of the fingerboard, which is like the 7th fret, the B note. Now you see how much room there is between the neck and the fingerboard? There's a lot of space there when I'm tapping. So what I want to do is tighten the truss rod. And usually it takes like a 1/4 turn. In this case, I know this neck's really warped, so I'm going to tighten it up a bit. Now see, we got a little space there. I'm going to tighten it up just a little more, about a 1/4 turn. Let's see what we got. That looks really good. Just a tiny little amount of space there. Now if I tighten it too much, what happens is then the string lays on the fingerboard, and I don't want the string to lay on the fingerboard. See, now it's laying on the fingerboard. There's no room. It's got to have a little bit of relief so the string clears the fret. So now I'm going to loosen it about a 1/4 turn, maybe 2. There we go. You can hear the tapping. I'm going to relieve it, give it a little more relief. Just one more 1/4 turn. Now I've got what I want. Just enough relief there. Then you do that on the treble side too, so you can see how straight the neck is from one side to the other. And then you have to find the happy medium between both sides of the fingerboard. So if it's too straight and the string's laying on the fret and there's no tapping room, then you've got to loosen the neck up. And if it's way too warped and the action's really high when you're tapping like that, then you want to tighten the truss rod and bring the neck closer to the strings so you get a desired like that. Just a little tapping room in there. And that's how you got a perfectly adjusted neck.